Welcome. My name is Sven Schreiber, and I'm the head of sales here at Laser Components in Germany. Today, I would like to introduce to you our MVpulse, the latest addition to our FLEXPOINT series of laser modules, specifically designed for operation in the machine vision industry. The laser, being the light source, is a critical component in many machine vision applications. To maximize performance, we have specialized in very thin lines and very homogeneous power distribution. Many customers always approach us asking for more power in the laser module. And their motivation is understandable because a higher power means faster throughput because you can shorten the exposure time, which means faster processing time in the final application. In theory, it's no problem to increase the laser power that comes out of the module. However, you also have to take the laser class into account. Now, ordinarily, it wouldn't be a problem to simply increase the output power of the laser module. However, you also have to remember that you have to adhere to laser safety regulations, which means that you have to stay within a certain laser class. Now, one solution to this dilemma can be pulsing the laser, because if you reduce the duty cycle, which is the time the laser is on, you can increase the actual output power. The relation here is very simple. If you cut the duty cycle in half, you can double the output power. Or if you go to only a quarter of the original duty cycle, you can even increase the laser output power by a factor of 4 and still stay within the same laser class. The way this is implemented in the application is by using a trigger signal which has to be applied to the laser module in order for it to emit light. This trigger signal can then be synchronized with the camera to make sure that both laser module and camera are in perfect sync and the camera is only capturing when the laser is actually on. However, the trigger signal only switches the laser on or off. There is still no guarantee that a certain laser class is maintained. And this is exactly where our MVpulse comes into play. The integrated electronics constantly monitor the trigger signal, making sure that the duration of the pulse, the off time, the frequency stay well within the designated boundaries so as not to exceed the required laser class. The way this is achieved is by simply turning off the laser if one of the parameters exceeds its boundaries, meaning if the pulse is too wide, the off time too short, or the frequency too high. As with all other flex points in our machine vision series, the MVpulse is available in a variety of different constellations. You can choose from many different wavelengths, output power up to 100 milliwatt, different housing options, adjustable focus, or even custom solutions if you require something very specific. Of course, all these specifications and many more can be found on the datasheet, which is available for download on our website. Or just give us a call to discuss your application and its specifics so we can pick together the right laser module for the task at hand. Even if we're the experts in laser modules, of course, we have a lot more products in our portfolio, and the name Laser Components sort of gives it away. We offer anything from the creation to the transmission, shaping, to the detection of light at the components level. Within the Laser Components group, we have a vast technology pool at our disposal, which you can utilize for custom components that fit your application the best. So whenever you're looking for something that you cannot find on our website, something that is just slightly different from the standards, talk to us. Laser Components has many offices throughout the world, in Europe, in the US, so it's very easy to find one that's close to you. Being a components manufacturer, we have the good fortune that our components are used pretty much everywhere these days, because photonics is used everywhere. We serve markets as diverse as industry, scientific, military, medical, you name it. And this concludes our video. So thank you for watching. And again, if you have any request, be it for a standard or custom part, simply reach out. Thank you. Laser components. Small components, massive impact.